Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 26. Fatty buys milk at X Naira per tin and sells it at a profit of Y Naira. If she sells 10 tins of milk, how much does she receive from the sales? Now, Fatty purchased a milk at X Naira per tin. So let's say the purchase price equals to X Naira. Then the profit is equals to Y Naira. Now, to get her selling price for a particular thing that she sold, the selling price will be equals to the price she bought it, which is the purchase price, that is X Naira plus the profits Y Naira. Now, since she sold 10 things, we simply multiply the selling price by 10, because the selling price is just for one item. So selling price now for 10 things will be equals to 10 into X plus Y, and that will give us the amount for which she sold the 10 things. And looking at it, that is option D. 10 into X plus Y Naira is the answer to the question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.